Right now we are on one of the highest mountains in Spain. It's freezing. My mustache is full of ice, and we are really looking forward to turning on the pizza oven and making some pizza, getting nice and warm. But let's show you first how we actually made this pizza oven. There we are, back in the garden again. It's nice and sunny and we're gonna eat some pizza in this afternoon. So we actually built this pizza oven a year ago and people have been telling us that it will be full of cracks. That's not really the case. It's done quite well. And last year we were building it, we only had 1 week before we had to take the plane back again. So you're supposed to heat the pizza oven after building it, like only after a month, and then very slowly. But we already did it after a few days. Right now it's heating up, and the way that this is isolated, or how it's capturing all the heat, is we have some heat resistant stones on the inside. I will show you a video about this. We made a very handy tool that enabled us to make like an igloo out of these bricks and have them all at the same distance from the middle. And then we put a layer of stone wool, then we put a layer of chicken wire, a layer of aluminum foil, and then a layer of this white cement-like stuff. There were actually a lot of these just natural river stones laying around in the garden, and we used all of them. And there's actually a little secret inside of the pizza oven, but I will tell more about that later. Inside of the pizza oven we've hidden a little secret, and it's not my girlfriend. Locked up forever.
Message in a bottle.
29 de diciembre. Okay, let me do this in English. Basically it says, you broke our pizza oven, you better have a good reason for it. This is the tool we use to make the perfect igloo shape. The bottom bricks are not heat resistant, but the top bricks are. And they are kept up by T-shaped beams that are 1 brick distance apart. And then we lay a layer of sand, and then on top of that we made another layer of bricks, so it can have a lot of thermal mass. The last part was very tricky, so we filled the whole dome up with blocks of wood and sand, so we could also do the final few bricks.
Auw. Het ziet er eng uit.
The rule is that if you can keep your hand in there for more than 1 Mississippi, it's not hot enough. So it's not hot enough. But it's getting there. All in all, it took us a bit more than 1 week. All we did was work on the pizza oven. During New Year's Eve, during Christmas Eve, we were working with our hands in the dirt. In general, it works well when you move the fire from left to right every once in a while, so that the ground is very hot, and then you can put the pizzas on that side. And then after you're done making pizzas, you can spread out the coals so it burns away all the leftover food scraps. that's it for this pizza making video, and if you are into DIY projects and just want to make everything yourself, then consider subscribing.